Hey guys, what's up? How are you today? So, I'm making today video about Luke Hemmings. You know, he is from band 5 Seconds of Summer and he is from Australia, Sydney, and Luke is one of my favorites ever persons in the world. So, I'm so excited about this video. I promise I will try not to cry. But, okay, so, Luke Robert Hemmings from Sydney, Australia, on Tuesday at 11:55 AM just followed me on Twitter. Oh my god. I really can't believe that happened because that seems so unreal. So unreal. Okay. Oh my god, I'm still shaking because Luke Robert Hemmings, he's perfect. I love him so much. I mean, I love every part about him and I can't stop shaking. So, he followed me on Twitter on Tuesday and today is Thursday. So, he followed me on Twitter 2 days ago. Oh my god. Okay, so when I first saw in mentions that he followed me, I thought that can't be real, and I thought that was like one fake account, you know, like, okay, so I thought that was not Luke, that was just another fun account. Okay, so I was sitting on my bed and then I got one mention and I was totally sure that I'm dreaming and that this is all one big dream that I am in about. So I'm still in totally shock and I'm gonna explain you what happened that day, you know, in details. I'm gonna explain you everything. So and before, guys, I'm gonna show you pictures that he followed me and proofs. Okay, so before that I'm gonna explain you what I was doing on that day and how that happened that he followed me. So I'm huge One Direction fan and I'm huge 5 Seconds of Summer fan too. So on Tuesday I was really tired, so I was just thinking, why not, you know, I was just thinking to take a nap, just for a few hours, okay, like no big deal. And when I woke up, I took my phone from the bed and I went on Twitter just to check what's going on, you know, just to check tweets from my favorite celebrities, and I saw one tweet from 5 Seconds of Summer. They said something like, I don't know, what's up guys, or we love you, okay? And then I saw a tweet from Selena Gomez or Justin, I don't know, that's not important. And then I saw one tweet from Luke, and that tweet was made 54 minutes ago. So when I went on my Twitter application homepage, I saw one tweet from Luke that said morning guys. I mean, he just said morning without emojis, without anything. He just said morning 54 minutes ago when I saw that. Okay, and when I clicked on his profile, I saw that he's got thousands and thousands of mentions and that everyone wants a follow from him and that every fan girl wants to be noticed by him. So that's really crazy, that's so creepy. And when I saw that, I was thinking like, what I'm even doing here? Like, what I'm doing on his Twitter page, and he's like got 2 million of followers and I don't know how many mentions and beggings for follow and everything, but I still just wanted to say morning to him, just to say like, hey babe, what's up, good morning, I love you so much. So I said it. I said it to him and I tweet him, morning Luke, and I tweet him, I love you so much and you're my everything. I tweet that. And I still wanted to wish him good morning, so I did it. I sent him like few tweets and of course I thought that I don't have any chances that he's gonna retweet, that he's gonna favorite, that he's gonna follow. Like, I don't have any chances, okay? But I thought in my head that I can't give up. Even he's probably never going to answer me or ever going to retweet, so something was telling me that I need to tweet him no matter what. So I was thinking a look, and I sent to him like 10 more tweets, and after about 10 minutes I got mentioned in blue box down on my Twitter home app page, and it said that Luke Hemmings followed me. Oh my god. And there was a verified account from him, and immediately without thinking I screenshot my homepage and I click to see my mentions when I saw that. And first I was totally shocked, I couldn't believe. So I've got this. This picture and that, and then I saw, then I saw him in my followers, in my mail. That was like, oh my god, I can't breathe. I'm going to cry. And I saw that in his following there is my account. Okay. And everything was, oh my god. So I was in totally shock, and I thought that like this can be true, that I'm in big dream, and that I've got like thousands of mentions like, look, like, congrats on your Luke follow. I'm so happy for you. How did you get Luke follow? Hopefully we will get follow soon. Congrats. And I've got like hundreds and hundreds of mentions, so that's like huge. And I really can't say anything more because look, my screen. My lock screen is looking his pictures, so I'm so excited. I really can't say anything more because I really can't talk. I'm gonna cry after this. Oh my god. Luke followed me on Twitter, and I only wanted him to follow me million years. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.